Focus on the T-zone. I am a makeup artist who do not use many brow products.
Put your hands together for the exceptionally gorgeous Sara Ali.
Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do heat-proof makeup. So today I'm going to be teaching a look and then I'm going to be making it heat-proof. So what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of moisturizer as prepping. I like to use my hands. After this, we'll apply some primer. So I'm using today the Milk Primer. On myself, I don't usually use a lot of primer because I have dry skin and my pores are not too open. So again, I just do this and pat it on the skin to make it a little stickier so that the actual job of the primer is to hold the skin, hold the makeup on the skin properly and for a longer period of time. Focus on the T-zone. We'll start with the concealing of the eyes first. Very little amount on the eyes, very little. So you guys will see, I do not apply a lot of product. I'm not a big fan of applying too much. Okay, I'm using Tarte concealer, the Shape Tape in the shade medium. After this, Sara Ali Cosmetics translucent powder with SAC brush, the powder brush. This is a powder brush which is perfect for the under eye, the shape and the top of the eye too. What I like to do is I like to brush the brows also first so that I get a very clean canvas. We'll start off with the eyes first. For the eyes, I'll be using, I think I'll be using my rose glazed palette. So I'm going to use the rose glazed palette by Sara Ali Cosmetics and I'm going to be using the shade Tea Rose for the crease. So with very soft hand, I'm using Sara Ali Cosmetics crease brush and I'm creating a very soft crease on her. See, I haven't picked any product as yet. I'm still blending so that we get a beautiful blend of the first color. Starting from we're going to go in with the second shade. Our warm glazed palette is a warm tone palette, as you guys know, the brown glazed. So pink crease create करने के बाद भी you can change it to a warmer eye look for sure. So I'm going to be using the cinnamon shade on the corner of the eyes to create a more warmer look. So the application will be from the lower lash to the upper. And this brush is perfect to create the crease. Then I'm going to take, I usually use maximum 4 shades for the crease and corners. So for the outer corner again, I'm going to take the shade Cocoa and apply it with the same technique. The lower lash first and then taking it up. This I'm going to be using the corner definer brush from Sara Ali Cosmetics. अच्छा, तो the Cocoa जो shade है, उसको हम corner में बिल्कुल ऐसे apply करेंगे, like close to the eye and then take it up. So that your crease is not too heavy. So this is the final depth and the contour basically जो कि मैं create कर रही हूँ on her. So this is my absolutely favorite shade from the rose glazed palette. This is called Champagne. So I'm going to be using the lid brush. This brush is perfect for any kind of lid. Now here comes my favorite technique. I use any of your finger, take the shadow and just drag it down from the middle to down. That creates a perfect dimension on the eye. After you're done with patting, just feel the eyeball and drag the shade down. So I'm going to use the vanilla glitter in the rose glaze palette. You do not need a glue with this. You can only just finger पे आप थोड़ा सा लें, थोड़ा सा लेके we'll just pat in the middle. As you can see, less is more, guys, and less looks more flawless also. So we are almost done with the eyes. The next thing that I'm going to do is liner. So we're going to do a very thin liner. So we're going to use Dreamy Light. अभी हमारे पास 2-3 options थे for the lashes, but we're going to use Dreamy Light since she has a bigger eye. But all you have to do is apply the, look up. We're using a very light lash, but it's going to give a lot of dimension to the eye. Do we have Dreamy? Dreamy Light? Now we'll start off with the base. Any payoff, हल्का सा नीचे से clean करके. So we're going to use NARS, the Weightless Natural Radiant Foundation. I like to take it on my hand. And this much, this much. I'm pretty happy with the coverage. I don't think she needs more. I want her to look really radiant. We take the concealer. We are using medium on her under eye by NARS. Oh, sorry, Tarte. I'm gonna blend this first. So I've done the concealing. For me, the face is concealed. Now we're going to highlight it. So I'm going to use a fair, neutral concealer on the bridge of the nose. Very small quantity. Just drag it down. A little bit on the forehead so that the light, her forehead is already broad. So I'm not going to make it further broad. Now for the under eye, I'm going to use light medium by Tarte. So I'm going to highlight her under eye. we've done the under eye. For the entire face, बहुत कम quantity of powder. हाथ पे अपने आप उसको कर लें and then more and then just dab it on the entire face. As you can see, the shine completely went away. Can you see, guys? So we're going to use the same brush, the powder brush by Sara Lee Cosmetics, and take the excess out. For the brows, you guys, I am a makeup artist who do not use many brow products. So I'm going to use the shade Dusk in my warm palette. अच्छा, अब हम विंग करेंगे क्योंकि लैश लग गई है. Look down. Look down. अच्छा, हमने बहुत सॉफ्ट सा विंग क्रिएट किया है. So for the contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and Sara Lee Cosmetics Contour Brush. This is a perfect contour brush. And we'll use blush now, using Sara Lee Cosmetics blush palette in the shade Peach. If that makes sense. As soon as you apply it on the face, your face starts to glow. Under eye करेंगे इसके बाद. We're going to use warm palette. So I'm going to do the under eye. So I'm going to apply the highlighter now. On the top part of the cheek. On the bridge of the nose. On the sides of the cheek. And on the top of the part of the nose. We're going to quickly fix it with a spray. So now we're going to use a lip liner for this. We have lined her lips with a brown Taurus. And we're gonna apply Sara Lee Cosmetics. This is the new liquid lipstick, so I'm applying it with an applicator only. And beach mein we'll apply another Sara Lee Cosmetics lipstick, Sac Sagittarius. This is my absolute favorite nude sac shade. And then we're gonna top it with my favorite gloss by Sac only, Sugar Drip. So what we're gonna do is, close your eyes. Heat proof. Ishale is out somewhere and she's sweating, so this is water. This is a lot of water, you guys, that we just applied on her face, and Ishal is now technically sweating. Can you guys see that the makeup hasn't moved as yet? So this is technically a heat-proof makeup. And I'm gonna show you after dabbing also. You're gonna take a tissue. अब आपको makeup करने के बाद पसीना आ चुका है. And what the client is supposed to do only, take a tissue. There's no product on the tissue and the makeup is still looking absolutely stunning. सिर्फ gloss आया, as you can see. Nothing else.